Alright guys, so here's how the lab works today. In order to figure out the density of the two candies, M&Ms and Skittles, and figure out which one is more dense, we have to know two things about each candy. We have to know its mass, in other words, how much does it weigh, and we have to know its volume, in other words, how much space does it take up. To find the mass, we're going to use this digital balance right here. Once it's turned on, you're going to take one of these plastic weigh pans, place it on there, and hit the 0 button so that the weight of the pan is now zeroed out. And then you're going to take a single candy, okay, M&M or Skittle, your choice, place it on the pan, and in your notebook you're going to write down how much that candy weighs in grams, okay, always using the metric system. Then you're going to take your graduated cylinder. Now in the graduated cylinder you're going to put a little bit of water, okay? You can decide how much water it is, but you've got to write down how much water was in there before you started. Then you take the candy and you drop it into the graduated cylinder and you look at how much water is in there now. The difference, the amount the water went up, is the volume of your candy. So again, water before the candy, water after the candy, the difference is the volume. And then you take the mass in grams divided by the volume in milliliters, and that's your density. We're going to make a data table in your notebook so you can keep track of these numbers and do that division at the end. And then you'll decide which candy was more dense.